Welcome, I'm filming the Samsung Galaxy A03s, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. And to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture. For me, it's gonna be settings as an example. And from here, simply click power key and a volume down at the same time. You get this border animation, it's allow access, and that's it. It just captured the screenshot. Now it does give us a couple options, so we have share, we have edit, and we have scrollable screenshot, which I'll only focus on the scrollable option right here. After you capture your normal screenshot, you can just kind of disregard this and that's it, you have your normal screenshot. But you can change this normal screenshot into a long one, so if a content can be scrolled up and down, you can click on it and it will just scroll it a little bit down. You can do that basically as long as the page allows you to. From there you can tap somewhere else and this will disappear. So now to find your screenshot, you can find it in your gallery application. You can see there it is. This is the scrollable version. And also if you go into albums, you will have a screenshot album that will contain exclusively screenshots. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.